In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to pay in store using Affirm is to download and update Affirm to the latest version of the mobile app. When you open up the mobile app, inside of it, you will be able to browse through the stores and select the one where you want to make the payment in store. So choose between all the stores, and once you find one, you will be able to select the first option, Pay with a one-time use virtual card. It will be the one at the top. When you select this option, you will be able to input the exact amount of the purchase you are trying to make. It's very important that you select the corresponding amount because this card is virtual and one-time use only. So after you include the purchase amount, Affirm will see if you are eligible, and as long as you are, you will be able to select Save to your phone. Add it to any virtual wallet that you have, for example, Google Pay or your Apple Wallet, and on the next screen, you will be able to hold your phone near the reader in order to properly confirm your purchase. As long as you are eligible for a virtual card and you input the right purchase amount, you will be able to pay through this method in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm in store. It's a very quick and easy process. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.